the 25th of June, 2015. A day when the Government of India and the people of India shook hands and marked the beginning of one of the biggest partnerships in the history of the country for building India's first ever smart cities. Smart City Mission. Smarter, simpler, better.
Smart City Mission. The mission has several firsts. It is the first time that certain areas in cities will be comprehensively developed in a systematic and qualitative way. It is the first time that there has been such extensive citizen consultation. It is the first time that allocation of funds in a government scheme is done not by decisions of ministers or officers, but on the basis of competition.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's earnest vision for smart cities gave an encouraging impetus for an urban modernization momentum. In the largest citizen engagement exercise in the history of urban India, close to 15 million citizens shared their imaginations, their ideas for a smart city. Special purpose vehicles were set up to put the implementation process on fast track. And today, the cities that our citizens used to dream about are taking shape in reality. Come, look for yourself.
We are bringing many technology firsts to India.
सीवरेज का कार्य, 24 घंटे पानी की सप्लाई देने का कार्य, बिजली की तारों को अंडरग्राउंडिंग करने का कार्य,
1200 किलोमीटर की वाईफाई नेटवर्क, 3800 सीसीटीवी सर्वेलेंस कैमरास.
A model city with smart facilities for citizens such as automatic vehicle locator systems,
यूनिफाइड कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर,
स्मार्ट लाइटिंग, स्मार्ट पार्किंग, सभी स्कूलों में स्मार्ट क्लासरूम का इंस्टॉलेशन हमने कार्य पूर्ण कर दिया है.
रोड वाइडनिंग के प्रोजेक्ट्स हम लोगों के काफी तेजी से चल रहे हैं.
Jan Mitra card, wherein the non-transit services like payment of taxes, future compatibility for usage in metro has been designed.
People participation.
A better living place, a cleaner place, a greener place.
स्मार्ट सॉल्यूशन इस पूरे मिशन में एनविसाज किए हैं.
Integrating digitalization and infrastructure development for every aspect to improve the people's life.
लगभग 500 करोड़ का निवेश,
लगभग 520 करोड़ का ये प्रोजेक्ट,
1221 करोड़ का बजट स्वीकृत किया गया है.
100 करोड़ तक का कार्य इसमें पूरा कर लिया है.
This amounts to total 675 odd crores.
गांधीनगर,
Jaipur,
भोपाल,
Ahmedabad,
इंदौर,
नागपुर, उदयपुर.
And there is more. With 12-kilometer long dedicated bicycle tracks, Bhopal is exploring the potential of public bike sharing system for offering a last-mile connectivity to the destination. Having planned for a network of complete streets for 49 kilometers, Coimbatore is working towards developing smart roads with high-quality walking, cycling and apt public facilities. Surat ushered in intelligent traffic management system. 154 BRTS stations and more than 400 city bus stops have been integrated with ITMS. Average frequency of BRTS and city buses is just 8 to 10 minutes now. Pune decided to set up a state-of-the-art transport command and control center, enabling real-time tracking of 1,500 plus buses. Cities like Surat and Ahmedabad made it a priority to implement integrated CCTV surveillance of streets for monitoring as well as safety and security of citizens. With an aim to preserve the valuable monuments and to promote tourism, the city of Indore is working for conservation and restoration of monuments, including the site of Hari Rao Holkar, Chhatri. World's favorite lakeside heritage city, Udaipur has taken up the task of conserving its historic, lively bazaars and refreshing of lakes. Smart City Mission is in full swing all across the country. Work on Integrated Command and Control Centers (ICCC) has commenced in 5 cities. 30 cities would go live in ICCC by June 2018. 16 projects on heritage and placemaking in 12 cities have already been awarded the contracts. Innovative financing mechanisms like municipal bonds and value capture financing are being explored. Credit rating process has been augmented for 98 smart cities. 48 smart cities have initiated the process of appointing agencies for VCF. In total, 57 projects worth 950 crore rupees have already been completed. And around 800 projects worth 34,000 crore rupees are at various stages of implementation. With such time efficiency, Smart City Mission is a dream rapidly coming true. India is building cities where governance is citizen-friendly, where online services bring about accountability and transparency, where technology makes the city more vibrant and livable. The future is right here. Smart City Mission. Smarter, simpler, better.